Hello, hello. Okay, I'm using this microphone, so hopefully you can hear me well. I just wanted to tune in and say that it's finally warm outside and I can wear shorts. Wearing the shorts. And you know what that means? It means I can do yoga outside finally. So yeah, I decided to, do a little nice outside time. It's nice and warm and the breeze is just so relaxing, So I decided I'm gonna do some yoga outside. And yeah, this deck needs to be repainted. It's okay. No hate, nice and natural, But yeah, happy to see you all. Just breathe for a couple seconds. Couple neck rolls. Feels amazing. Now, actually, I wanted to start with standing poses. Let me extend this. Just want to make sure you see me. Nope, gotta be a little. Perfect. You see me now. Okay, we're gonna start with the standing poses. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Actually, I can put it down a little bit. There you go. Yes, and now we're gonna do the down facing dog. Right, I don't know how well you can see that. Trying, I need a cameraman. Anybody can volunteer to be my cameraman, please and thank you. But yeah, I'm just gonna do down facing dog. Maybe lift my leg up, stretch, lift my other leg up, stretch. Fair enough. Okay, let's see if this is a better angle for a down facing dog. Down facing dog. One leg up, another leg up. Beautiful. Okay, now we're gonna move on into our floor poses. I know you guys love them so much. Okay, is this good? A little lower. A tiny bit lower. That's good. Oh yeah. Okay, so as we usually do, start my favorite child's pose. So we're gonna go down, face down, and breathe. I'll show you from the other angle. So knees out, down, stretch, and breathe. Amazing. Okay, now we're moving on to the pigeon pose. I got leaves in my hair. Anyways, we're gonna put our front leg here, back leg behind. Nice. Oh, it feels so. This muscle is definitely getting all the love right now. Go down. And extra mile. I'm gonna grab this foot and stretch and breathe. Okay. Other side. In front of me. Back leg long. Oh yeah. Oh, I feel so good. Down. Face down. Grab the foot. Stretch. Amazing. Now we're gonna do cat cow. Yeah, we should have started with that, huh? It's okay, it's never late. It's never late for the infamous cat cow. So, back arched. Okay, what's the good angle? Is that a good angle? Back arched and bam. And bam. Is this angle better? And then rock back and forth, just like so. Nice. I'll go down facing dog. And stretch the hamstrings. Feels great. Now we're gonna do a little bit floor poses. Get back. Yeah, definitely need a bath after this. Okay, grab my toes and stretch those hamstrings. Beautiful. Grab my toes, stretch the hamstrings. Now stretch the inner thigh and back. And then side to side. So good. Well, here we have it. A nice little yoga video. I wonder if I can go. Let me try some. I haven't done this in a while. Let's see if I can still do it. And I'm doing it. Okay, so there you have it. A little outside yoga time. Would you want to be my neighbor? I would probably ask you to film. If you were, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you next time. Bye.